How to contact Onepay customer support. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to get in contact with Onepay's customer support? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up a browser and go to onepay.com's official website. Then you need to scroll down to the bottom of the home page, and there under resources you'll find help center. Just tap on it, and then you can see various popular articles. You can see help by product, help by topic options. But if you want to directly call, then you can see the contact us on phone option, and you can see the phone number right there. It is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And that's it. You can directly call to the customer support. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.